Tired of boring cuts and slow render times? It's time to level up your editing. Meet Film Impact, the all-in-one plugin that makes professional transitions and effects just a click away. What makes Film Impact stand out? It's a complete library of cinema-quality transitions and dynamic effects. Forget manual keyframes. These are incredibly smooth and customizable right inside Premiere Pro. No complex setups, no long rendering. From seamless camera shakes to elegant motion blurs, Film Impact gives you the power to transform your scenes in seconds. It's a huge time saver for any editor who wants to deliver a premium look. If you're serious about taking your edits to the next level, you need this. Click the link in the description to get Film Impact and start creating amazing videos today. Are you tired of making the same old video transitions? Do you spend hours looking for the right sound effects? What if you could get all of that for free? Meet Mr. Horse Premiere Composer, a free plugin that's about to change how you edit. First, the setup is super easy. Just download and install it in seconds, and the panel is instantly packed with powerful tools. Just drag and drop a seamless transition, and you're done. You get smooth zooms, quick pans, and spinning effects instantly. Need titles? They have tons of text presets you can customize in just a few clicks. And the best part? It comes with a complete library of sound effects. You can add whooshes, clicks, and pops that perfectly match your transitions, making your video feel incredibly professional. It's a complete toolkit. From transitions to text to sound, Premiere Composer gives you everything you need to speed up your workflow and make your videos look incredible, and it's completely free. So stop wasting time. Get Mr. Horse Premiere Composer today and start creating. Are you spending too much time creating animations for your videos? Do you wish you had access to professional motion graphics with just one click? Stop searching. Meet Motion Bro, the ultimate time saver for any video editor. The biggest strength of Motion Bro is how incredibly fast it is. Once you have the plugin installed, you get access to a massive library of ready-to-use presets. All you have to do is find the one you like, place your playhead where you want the animation, and hit a button. It's truly a one-click process. You can instantly add smooth zooms, dynamic pans, and stylish spins to your footage in seconds. But the power doesn't stop there. Motion Bro also gives you amazing control over every preset. You can easily adjust the direction of your pan or zoom and change the duration to make it faster or slower. This level of customization ensures that every animation fits your video's unique style without any hassle. Motion Bro is more than just a plugin. It's a game changer for your workflow. It saves you countless hours and helps you create professional-looking videos faster than ever before. So if you're serious about taking your video edits to the next level, Motion Bro is a must-have in your toolkit. Go check out the link in the description to get it now.